You're setting up Obsidian PKM completely wrong, and it's costing you hours of productivity every single day. I've seen thousands of people struggle with their knowledge management system because they skip these 8 critical setup steps that transform Obsidian from a confusing mess into a productivity powerhouse. Here's the problem most people face. You download Obsidian, create a few random notes, and within weeks you're drowning in a digital chaos of disconnected thoughts. Your vault becomes a graveyard of abandoned ideas because you never built the proper foundation. According to Obsidian's own user research from late 2024, over 60% of new users abandon the platform within their first month simply because they don't understand the core workflow principles. Let me show you the exact 8-step system I use to build bulletproof PKM workflows that actually stick. Step 1. Create your vault structure using the access method. Open Obsidian and click the folder icon in the left sidebar. Create 6 main folders: Atlas for your maps of content, Calendar for daily and periodic notes, Cards for atomic notes, Extras for templates and attachments, Sources for reference materials, and Spaces for project work. This isn't just random organization. The access method, developed by productivity expert Nick Milo, gives your brain clear pathways to store and retrieve information. Step 2. Configure your daily note template. Click the Settings gear icon, scroll down to Core Plugins, and enable the Daily Notes plugin. Now click the Templates plugin and enable that too. Create a new note called Daily Note Template in your Extras folder. Inside this template, add sections for 3 priorities: meeting notes, random thoughts, and tomorrow's focus. This template becomes your daily command center where everything flows through one central hub. Step 3. Set up your linking system using the double bracket method. Every time you write a concept that could become its own note, wrap it in double brackets like this: bracket bracket productivity system bracket bracket. Don't worry if the note doesn't exist yet. Obsidian shows these as gray links, and you can create them later by clicking. This creates the neural network effect that makes Obsidian so powerful for connecting ideas across time and projects. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily, and I promise this Obsidian series will transform how you think about knowledge management. Step 4. Install and configure essential community plugins. Go to Settings, then Community Plugins, turn off Safe Mode, and click Browse. Install Dataview for creating dynamic lists of your notes, Templater for advanced template functionality, and Calendar for visual date navigation. According to the Obsidian Community Plugin statistics updated in December 2024, these 3 plugins are used by over 80% of power users because they unlock advanced automation features. Step 5. Create your first map of content note. This is where most people get confused, but it's actually simple. Create a new note called PKM System MOC in your Atlas folder. This note becomes the home page for your entire knowledge system. Add sections for your current projects, important recurring notes, and quick links to your most used templates. Think of MOCs as the table of contents for different areas of your life and work. Step 6. Configure the graph view for visual thinking. Click the graph view icon in the left sidebar, then click the settings icon within the graph. Enable the groups feature and create color-coded groups for different note types. Set your Atlas notes to blue, cards to green, and sources to orange. Adjust the forces settings by increasing the link distance to spread out your nodes and reducing the repel force so connected ideas cluster together visually. Step 7. Set up your capture workflow using Quick Switcher in Search. Press Ctrl+O to open the Quick Switcher, which becomes your fastest way to navigate between notes. Practice typing partial note names and using the arrow keys to jump anywhere in your vault within seconds. Enable the search plugin and learn to use operators like file: for finding specific file types or path: for searching within specific folders. Step 8. Establish your review and maintenance rhythm. Create a weekly review template with prompts to process orphan notes, update your MOCs, and clean up your daily notes. Schedule 15 minutes every Sunday to maintain your system. The biggest reason PKM systems fail isn't the initial setup, it's the lack of ongoing maintenance. Your Obsidian vault is like a garden that needs regular tending to stay productive. Here are 3 pro tips that separate beginners from advanced users. First, use the local graph view on individual notes to see connection patterns you might have missed. Right-click any node and select Open Local Graph to see just that node's immediate connections. Second, leverage the backlinks panel at the bottom of each node to discover unexpected relationships between ideas. Third, create index notes for major topics that link to all related atomic notes, essentially building your own personal Wikipedia. The real power of Obsidian isn't in any single feature, it's in how these elements work together to mirror how your brain actually thinks. When you link concepts, create visual maps, and build connection pathways, you're essentially creating an external brain that gets smarter over time instead of just bigger. Remember, at TechNavigator Pro, we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. This Obsidian setup might feel overwhelming at first, but give yourself 2 weeks with this system and you'll wonder how you ever managed knowledge without it. Hit subscribe for more PKM tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video where we dive deep into advanced automation workflows that will blow your mind.